Hey guys, Joe Soy Mark here. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Gizmo Tab. The Gizmo Tab is a tablet with 300 plus premium games, premium learning games for the ages 3 and up. It is available at Verizon with 4G LTE connectivity, among other things. So today we're going to open it up. Here's a tablet. The tablet comes with a bumper for children play, handy instruction manual, USB cord, and a charging brick.